second graders, Mrs. Ishams here. We are going to be doing 16.4 graphing lengths. Let's get started.
You can measure the length of objects and show how long they are on a line plot. What data can be found in the picture?
What data? Data, what can we collect? What do we know about the picture here? Maybe how tall the glue stick is? The glue bottle is?
You can tell how long the glue bottle is. The glue bottle is 4 inches long. Use a table to record the measurement data. What objects were measured?
Let's think about it. So here we have a table where it says object and the length of that object in inches. So the objects that were measured is a glue bottle, string, feather, scissors.
A glue bottle, a string, a feather, and scissors were measured. Which item is the longest?
Okay, so how we read a table is it tells us glue bottle, and then the length in inches, we're just going to go to the right here, and it was 4 inches. The string was 7 inches, the feather was 6 inches, and the scissors were 4 inches. The question is asking us which item is the longest. Look at your table here. Is it the glue bottle, the string, feather, or scissors? Which one's the biggest number? That will tell us the longest. The string.
The string is the longest. The string is 7 inches long.
7 inches.
Which item was the shortest?
Now, which one's the shortest? The glue bottle, string, feather, scissors. Ooh, take a look.
Two items were 4 inches long. The glue bottle and the scissors. You can use the line plot to show data you have collected. How is the data from the chart recorded on the line plot?
How would we record the data on a line plot? Here, our line plot starts from 0 and it goes to 8. And it's going to tell us number of inches or how long these items are in inches. How would we record the data on the line plot? Think about it.
Put an X that tells how tall each item is on the line plot. What does the line plot show?
What does the line plot show? The number of inches.
The line plot shows the length of each item. Why does the 4 have 2 marks by it? 2 items are 4 inches long. The X marks tell that 2 of the objects have the same length.
Oh, that was quick. Hopefully this works. Okay, so get out your magazine here. And this is going to be you on your own. You're going to be finding 1, 2, 3, 4 objects around your house. You're going to be measuring those lengths in inches. Remember, inches on your ruler is this big. Okay, you're going to be measuring in inches. So it needs to be less than 8 inches. Okay, we can't do anything crazy big. So I wouldn't be measuring your bed. Okay, it has to be the size of your ruler or smaller. How about let's do that. Okay, I need you to find 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. And I want you to measure each in inches and write it down here. So for example, I would do like a book, and then I measure it and write it in inches. And let's say I don't have Hadley stole my ruler. I'm that kid. Let's just say the book was 6 inches. Make sure you put the inches. I would put an X at the 6. Okay. Let's say I measured a pencil and that was 8 inches. You're going to actually measure. I'm just showing you. I'm going to put the X on the 8 to show that there's one object that is 6 inches and one object that is 8. Once you have this table filled out and your line plot filled out, I want you to answer these questions. Which object is the longest? Write the object's name down. Which object is the shortest? Write the object's name down. Does any object have a length of 5 inches? Write yes or no. Okay. Let's take a little look-see on the inside here real quick. Okay. You are to measure each of these items in inches. Write them in our table, then fill out the line plot. You're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Measure in inches, fill out the table, fill out the line plot. Woo! It's going to be super easy today and super fun since you get to go find 4 items and measure it and fill out your own line plot. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. If you need anything, I would love to help. We are almost to the end, you guys, so we got this. I miss you, and I know your teachers miss you as well. I hope to see you all soon. Okay.